you do to this thing? Kill its babies?
What? No! Of course not! Maybe. Right where you'd be if you'd stuck with me.
I lost control to the AI. If you are done gloating, use that Banshee for air support. I'll proceed to Serrano on foot.
I'll pilot.
Oh, God! Now move it!
Lay down cover for Captain Sparkplug.
On it!
Take out those flare gunners!
Here I come!
Vulture, take it down!
Take a lick on the salty taste of doom, you brain-dead biker whores! To her. She won't be tracking me for much longer.
Building won't take much more punishment from her.
Look out, look out! You said you knew how to pilot this thing!
Gash on the back of its head. Unload on it! Hell yeah! Only way around is through! Shoot out the window!
Hot soup coming through!
Ready?
Oh yeah!
Ray, you picking me up?
Yep.
Give me some cover down here. I've dug in.
To your face, son.
We have to move, now!
Move your lady parts. Prime in the self-destruct.
There is no time!
Grayson.
General Serrano.
Awful damn kind of you to aid Trishka in my rescue. Trishka, please show this mutinous pile of excrement our appreciation.
We have something to straighten out first. Did you kill my father?
I know hell all about your father. Grayson here, he's manipulated you.
Tell her the truth.
Put the gun down.
You're kidding me.
I am not. Your righteous indignation has cost me enough. Serrano will have an evac jump ship coming for him. I will be on board, as you promised me.
Looks like I got a new best friend.
All right, Ishii. Promise is a promise.
I am wholly uninterested in whatever issues you people have to resolve. If either of you had a hand in the death of my father, I'll die happy knowing I took you both with me.
Okay. I see we're all a bit upset. I see that. But friends, we got bigger fish to fry right now. The corporation that built this putrid mistake resort has commissioned me, at great cost, to detonate a DNA bomb that will dissolve all life, while leaving the city perfectly intact, allowing said corporation to come in and rebuild.
Maybe not the best time to bore us with your mission deets.
Well now, hold on a second, you half-brained monkey. This DNA bomb is set to detonate in 2 hours. My rescue squad won't arrive with a jump ship for 3 hours. Now, can you half-wits do the math and see the problem we face?
He's telling the truth.
No! Son of a bitch!
Think for a second, boy. You kill me, no jump ship home. You both die. How I see it, I did you a favor. She would have discovered your dead Echo Squad where the folks done killed her old man. Come on, you dandy tarts. Gamma storms are brewing. So, if you want to live past the next couple hours, we need to get cover. Get to making our way out to the Ulysses and deactivate that bomb!
Be sensible. We can still get out of this alive.
Don't know if I can live with sensible.
Keep the pace! A lot of ground to cover before we hit the underground.
Underground?
Only way to get through the storm. Worker entrances to the underground are everywhere. Nearest is in the next building over. Take the bridge.
Who was working under the city that they needed so many entrances?
I'll catch you up on a need-to-know basis. You're crying. As long as you keep something solid between you and that cosmic glory, you'll be safe and sound.
Okay, you freaks! You're gonna dose of me now! Okay, you freaks! You're gonna dose of me now!
assume whatever is down there is a good deal worse than what we've seen up here.
Don't get your panties in a knot, Diana. I trained you better than that.
What, more takers? Let's go!
Fill him with bullets!
Heavy resistance. Lucky for you, there's a Confederate-sanctioned general keeping you safe.
Oh, and here I thought we were stuck with a psychopathic war criminal who needs his mouth washed out.
Who's gonna do the washing, boy? You?
Just let me load my soap. Spent. What now? That is one big bitch!
Up there! Follow me! Is this gamma radiation the cause of the mutations on world?
Do I look like a tour guide? That new robot eye of yours don't see so good, huh?
Another racial slur and I will hurl you into that storm.
Weak bluff, you prancing geisha.
Faster, harder! Oh yeah!
How could anyone be so irresponsible to build a city amid these storms?
Radiation filters were destroyed during the workers' revolt. Bunch of pinko-commie socialist queers felt they weren't being treated fairly. Day later, the entire joint's wrecked.
Radiation leaking through the cracks!
Two little babies back in Papa's care. Don't you fret. Daddy'll get you out of this scary place.
Right now, I'm torn between getting off this rock and stomping your brains out. Keep yammering. That choice gets a lot easier to make.
Ishi here is highly motivated towards survival. You go ahead, take a poke at him, and we'll find out where his true loyalty lies.
Damn skull! You die!
He is impervious to bullets! Located a makeshift entrance to the underground.
Oh, joy. No other choice. Roll the dice.
Take the elevator down to the garage.
Oh, great.
The backpack is his weak spot.
belly. That's where it's at. Workers. That just another name for slaves?
Slaves? Ha! Bunch of convicts and reprobates given a second chance. They ran the city, down in the tunnels, in exchange for a shorter sentence. This here is what you get when you show a bit of leniency to scumbags.
So they populated the underside of the city with convicts. Brilliant.
Ain't nothing here.
It's down the way.
Found it!
You want a trophy? Get in gear. We're about to march headlong into it. Behold the dirt pen, morons!
Damn, you weren't kidding. Big enough for 1,000 inmates.
28,000 to be precise.
So what's with the toxic waste?
Byproduct of the city's gamma filters. Officials stored it down here while they dug up the hills for a place to bury it.
This place just keeps getting better.
Yeah, well, the yardbirds were getting sick, dying, mutating, and what have you. So, the goofball, miscreant ball tuggers decide to rise up and demolish the gamma filters. No more filters, no more waste.
Nothing to protect from the storms.
I didn't think that far ahead.
What remains down here?
How should I know?
Hold it. Sudden movement. This rickety old piece is about to... Oh! Damn! Hold on.
Oh, son of a... The stream! Highly radioactive!
You gonna sit here swimming in it, or move?
Hold your breath!
You picked the worst time to show up!
Taste my fury! I am not picking up anything.
Could use some help? General.
This way. Follow me.
Yeah, the dance of death, mothers!
Y'all stink at covering corners. Anyway, there's a door down here that I reckon... Bolts! You two lollipops, get your cans down here! Bad trouble a-knockin'!
Ishi, there's a scaffolding on the other side. Come on!